Hey guys, this is Mark with Tech 128. In this video, I'm showing you how to swap out the mount of your Panasonic VariCam. This is the LT that I've got, but I believe the process is pretty similar for almost all other VariCam cameras. Right now I've got the PL mount on here, but I'm going to be swapping this over to the Canon mount. This is actually a pretty nice feature. Red's cameras do have this. They do allow you to swap out the mount, so it's nice to see that another company, a different company, is actually trying to do something similar and allow you to swap out the lens mounts. It's about the same process, I'd say. It's just a matter of removing screws. So let's do this here. So you're going to need to be able to remove these screws right here. We got one there and then here. So you're going to need to get a screwdriver, an Allen wrench. I have got the red Sidewinder here. So after a quick tool change later, we just have to unscrew this right here. And then we can go ahead and pull this up. So once you do unscrew the screws, all you have to do is just turn the wheel on the outside to loosen the mount. And then it should just come right off just like that. Pretty easy, not that hard. Actually a lot easier than the red. So now what we're going to do is we'll just take our Canon mount, pop that on, and then tighten that. And then now we'll just go ahead and take the screws from the last lens mount, and we'll just go ahead and screw this in, make sure it is tight, and that is about it. There's just one important thing to note. Most Canon lenses with cinema mounts, you turn to the right to lock, left to loosen, but this is counterintuitive. It's actually this way to lock, and you turn it this way to unlock it. So it's a little bit different, but not that big of a deal. I just wanted to let you guys know in case you're new to the VariCam lineup. So now with it on, you have to do is just, turn the ring like you normally would and just pop your lens on, and that's about it. Super simple and easy. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is. But if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with Tech 128, and I will see you in the next one.